See, while solution, what things you have to keep in mind? Transactions on the left hand side, then assets is equal to liabilities plus capital. This assets is equal to liabilities plus capital is your accounting equation. We have to solve the question in such a way that assets should be equal to the liabilities plus capital. Let's see how we will be doing it. Like the first question, started business with cash. So here the first point, that means first points represent your started business with cash, the same transactions. Here your asset, which represent in the form of cash, I will write liabilities is 0 and capital is there, right? So in the cash I will write 70,000 is equivalent to 0 plus 70,000, right? So this is the first point. Then second point, credit purchase of goods. So here I will write the cash plus stock is equivalent to, it's a credit purchase, so creditors plus capital. So in cash already 70,000 is there, plus goods you have purchasing for 18,000, 70,000 because in the first transaction 70,000, that's why. Creditors again 18,000 and capital we will just carry forward here 70,000. So in this way you will understand that 70,000, 18,000, these are going equal. Got it? So I'll put one line just to close this transactions up till here. So the first point says it introduces cash. So in the asset side I wrote cash, then liabilities plus capital. Capital and cash both increased. The first point equal, accounting equations are equivalent. Second point it says credit purchase. So I put cash, let's carry forward here, plus stock of 18,000. Creditors also increased by 18,000 and the capital increased. Then look into the third point. The third point says payment made to the creditors in full settlement of 17,500. So I will write cash here plus stock is equivalent to creditors plus capital. So in cash 70,000, since I am making the payment of 17,500, so this 17,500 will get deducted from the cash. Got it? And under creditors, it's 18,000. This entire 18,000 will get deducted because it's in full settlement, plus there will be addition of 500. Stock is 18,000. So here my cash will be 52,500. My stock is 18,000. Creditors will get nil plus 70,500. So this is again equivalent. I'll put one line. 52,000 plus 18,000 will give you 70,500. This 500 is added in the capital because total credited amount was 18,000, but we were given a discount of 500. That's why this 500 is sort of an income which gets added in the capital. Then point number 4, purchase of machinery for cash. So there is a cash, there is a stock. Now one more asset added, machinery. Creditors, there is no liability, so only we will write liabilities plus capital. So in cash 52,500. Purchase of machinery, so 20,000 will get reduced because we are paying it by cash, plus 18,000 stock is given, plus this 20,000 machinery. Machinery cost 20,000, so machinery of 20,000 will get added. There is no liabilities plus capital, nothing will happen in the capital. So here I will write down the balance amount 32,500 plus 18,000, which is your stock, and the machinery of 20,000, whereas your liabilities is nil. Capital will continue as 70,500. So when you add up, you will get the same equation, 70,500. So this is how the accounting questions are to be made. First of all, what you have to do, you have to keep a very keen eyes on the transactions. Like in the first, it is said started business with cash. So cash increased, capital increased. Then it made a credit purchase of goods. So creditors in the second point, stock and creditors both increased. Third point, it says creditors made a payment of 70,000 in full settlement is an important word here. That means not a single rupee has to be paid more than 70,500. So this 500 which has been saved will be added in the capital as it understood as an income, because it's got savings. Then in the last, you have purchased a machinery by paying cash. Your cash gets reduced and machinery gets increased. One asset increases, another asset decreases. So overall, you will get that the both side asset should be equivalent to liabilities plus capital. That is represents your accounting equation. So I will write here 70,500 is equivalent to 70,500. I hope it helps you to understand the question.